Hello, hot rod enthusiast. Here today I'm going to show you how to lube up your B&M cable if you have a cable that's acting stuck and it doesn't want to move. First I want to show you this. This cable here came undone right here. I pulled it out. I was able to pull it out, and I want to show you that this is not like a typical bicycle type cable. It's solid metal. I'm going to epoxy that and put it back together. But my cable was like sticking. And I couldn't figure out how to get oil into it. So here's the idea I came up with, and it worked perfect. See how good it works now? This thing wouldn't even move. But here's what I did. Take a straw like this, stick it over this, wrap it in tape, and then take some oil. I just use 3-in-1 oil, but take some oil and just shoot it into here. You'll see the oil in there, and then set it up somewhere overnight, and the next day that oil's gone. It's all inside. Works perfect. So it might save you 60 bucks because these things are going for like 60 bucks on eBay. That's it, folks. Hope I could help you out there with that little info, because I couldn't find no things about how to work on these cables on YouTube, so I thought I'd make one real quick. Have a good day.